I've been writing books and I've been really productive. Some of you might have seen this book. There's a link to this copy of the book. This is the first book I published this year in 2024. It's called Bangkok in Ink, 5-day sketch crawl, where I meander with my thoughts, my sketches, photographs, and stories about my 5 days which I spent in Bangkok. But back to this book. The 7 elements of urban sketching. Some of you have been following me for a while. You know that I have had a series of videos on various topics such as the elements of line, space, shape, form, texture, value, color. And I've had also friends, artist friends who, mostly Singapore, but I have Jakarta, Thailand, and of course Karen, who is Singaporean but she lives in the UK. Yeah, and I've made some changes from this limited run. The copy I have here is a limited quality check run. I'm about to send for printing a limited run as well, first run I guess, and I'm looking forward to take pre-order on this. This book is still available. There's about 100 plus copy left, but this one is ready for pre-order. I put a link below for both the books, and I'm looking forward to send some of these to some of you guys, and for you to enjoy. Oh, by the way, some of the chapters, they will have both, words that I describe the elements, but as well as a link and a QR code to take to the original video which I made. And so you know it's kind of like a multimedia book, if you like, both words and QR code, and plus some of my artwork to boot. Yeah, really proud of this. Alright, so get your hand on one today, and yeah, stay safe wherever you are. This is We Take Out from now.